telescope. Telescope and microscope are two scientific instruments that serve their purposes differently. One of the main differences between a telescope and a microscope is that a telescope is used to view things that are far, whereas a microscope is used to view things that are very near. 60. Indeed true, both the instruments are used to watch the minute details of the objects or things more clearly. Another important difference between telescope and microscope is that the focal length or the distance from the focal point to the lens is different in these two scientific instruments. As a result of this, the focal point in the case of a telescope may be at a far-off place. On the other hand, the focal point in the case of a microscope is just a fraction of an inch off. The difference in the diameter of the lens used in the two instruments also matter a lot when it comes to the difference between them. The lens diameter or the aperture is much larger in a telescope. This is to ensure that the aperture allows tiny amount of natural light at the focal point. On the other hand, only artificial illumination is used in a microscope. The artificial illumination is made to fall at the focal point in a microscope. It is interesting to note that a telescope and a microscope differ from each other in terms of the curvature of the lens. A microscope is used to look into smaller details like the structure of the cells and the unicellular organism. On the other hand, larger objects that are very far off are the targets of a telescope. In short, it can be said that a telescope is used to look into space. Magnification is the keyword in both the scientific instruments.